my name is Shawn and I am bringing back family fun. And I don't know if you noticed this cool little box picture frame in the back of my newest videos. I'm going to do something really cool on my phone here. What? Is that a cute little character in the background? What? Is that a dancing gingerbread man in the background? I just got this really cool digital pixel art frame in my background that I am absolutely loving. It was gifted to me for free by the company, but I love it so much that I want to do a review of it for you. All right, let's check it out. I'm going rogue on my vlogging camera because I wanted to show you this cool little guy right here. Oh my goodness, he's adorable. All right, so this is called the Pixoo. Oh my goodness. When I was offered a chance to look at this and receive it in my hand, I was so excited. My family and I, we are such a big fan of pixel art. I think my husband was even more excited about this than myself. Look how cool. I mean, this is high quality box. The power button is up here that you turn it off and on with, and you control the entire thing with your phone. So it's just a little app called Divoom, which is the company. And you can change all of it. So that was the New Year's stuff. Oh, that's a parrot. How cute is that? You can also make your own. So you can go over here, you can design your own on the screen here, which I'm still learning. I'm still learning this. You could do your own animations. You can text something out on the screen. You can color something. It will actually do, look at that. There's a DJ mixer. What? I don't even know what to say about that. Okay, iPhone. Go back. All right, you can, a voice memo. All right. You can chat, you can do an alarm. It can be like your alarm clock on your bed. I mean, look at all this stuff. You can play games, countdown. You know what would be great for if you were playing a game? Yes. Look at that. It'll change it on there for you. You can do a game. We love that. You know, we love that on our channel over here. You can also do a countdown meter. How cool is that? Look at that. It's like sand. It's like sand going down. That is so cool. There's so many customization things that you can do that blow me away. You can have it do the weather, notifications, voice commands. I have not played around with that yet. Basically, I've just been playing around with the preloaded Pixel. What I like are all the cool things up here, the cool options up here. Let's see if it'll focus. You can do like a pattern, which is really cool. Look at that. That's so cool. I love it. All right, so this is cool to adjust the brightness to sound command, clap hands to turn on and off the screen when the device is not in use. So you can turn that on, and then let's see if it works. Okay. It works on the one. Oh, it turns it back on too. Clap on, clap off. What's my impression of the Pixoo? Well, there's a lot to learn. It's great for out-of-the-box person like me who just wants to find cool pixel art and have it displayed and display it in the background. I mean, I can do all sorts of things like this cute unicorn to displaying my YouTube subscriber count on the screen here, or I could even put my logo in. There's cool features so that if you want to create your own pixel art, there are the tools to do that within the app, which I think is really cool. So I feel like it's really great. It's user-friendly for straight out of the box, easy to set up. But if you want to take it to that next level and really make it a work of art, you can also do that. So I will be playing around with this more, but my first impression is I love it. And I'm so excited to have it hanging up on the wall behind my space. And I'm going to be changing it according to the theme of the games that I'll be talking about. I'll be changing it. Maybe I'll even for my live streams, what my subscriber count is, or I'm just looking forward to having it as a really cool piece of animated art behind me in my background. I do want to add that it did come from China, which has absolutely nothing to do with the quality. This is excellent quality. Like the plastic is, they spared no expense on the quality of these. It feels very high quality. The packaging felt very high quality and luxe, and English is great on everything that I have read, worked within the app, on the instructions in the box. All the English is really great. The only reason that I mentioned that it shipped from Hong Kong is because it did take it a little while to get here, and I don't know if they expedited shipping to get it to me sooner or if that is the normal shipping. I'll post on the screen how many days it took to arrive here, but it had to go through customs and stuff, so that might be something you want to consider, but it was very well packaged in a box with bubble wrap and everything, so no damage. I am just overall super impressed with my Pixoo, and I'm excited to showcase it in the background of my future videos. Again, this is not sponsored. I was gifted this cool piece of digital art, and I will post their link to where this came from in the description box down below if you want to check it out for yourself. All right, so I put Pixoo back on the wall, and let's see if the clapping actually turns it off. There we go. 2 tries. You gotta clap pretty loudly. Bye.